Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. Y'all know I just came back from Vegas about a week or so ago. And y'all know I ate at the Pepper Mill, one of my favorite places to eat at. And what I love about that is the blueberry muffins they have in there, y'all. Homemade blueberry muffins. They fresh out the oven when you get them. And that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do these Pepper Mill blueberry muffins. These are homemade, y'all. Ain't no mix, nothing like that. It's from scratch, homemade blueberry muffins. So let me tell you what I have here. Regular AP flour here. A little salt, baking powder, room temperature milk, room temperature eggs, room temperature butter, granulated sugar, vanilla, and fresh blueberries. And I'm gonna top it with a little turbinado sugar at the end to give it a little, like they do it, a little sugar crystal on top. Very simple, very easy, y'all. Let's get into this video. First thing I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna do this with a hand mixer. You can do it with a stand mixer if you want to, but I'm gonna just do it with a hand mixer. Okay, I got my I don't sift my flour, y'all. What I'll do, kind of get my little whisk here, kind of go around in there, kind of get it back area again. I don't, like I said, I don't sift flour. So then we'll put my sugar in there. I mean salt, baking powder now, not baking soda, baking powder, granulated sugar. Y'all know what? I done messed up here. Y'all. Okay, hold on, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what I just did. I dumped the sugar in there where I shouldn't have. And what I'm gonna have to do here, take most of this sugar out of here, and I'm not gonna even edit this out, y'all. I'm not gonna edit this out at all. I'm gonna take as much of this sugar out of here as I can. But the sugar is supposed to go with the butter. It's supposed to be cream with the butter. So let me show y'all what I'm gonna do here. This is how you do it, y'all. Take as much of this sugar out of here as I can. There we go. Now we're gonna mix all the dry in here together with that little sugar. It's already in there. Okay. We're gonna set this to the side. Now we're gonna cream our butter and sugar and a little flour in there together. First we're gonna cream our butter. Hold on, let's get this out the way. Before I get that dry out the way, y'all, look, my blueberries here, I'm gonna put a little of this dry on the blueberry and let them kind of be soaking that up. Reason I do that is, of course, the seasoned cooks will know. The reason I'm doing that is so the blueberries won't sink to the bottom of the muffins. As much as possible, y'all. They're gonna do what they do, but I like to do that, don't get that ahead of time, let them kind of mix in there a little, mix it around there. So you have an even distribution of blueberries when you do your muffins. So I kind of don't do that early and let that flour do its thing there. Okay, set that aside. Now, we're gonna get our bowl here. Now, we're gonna cream our butter. Get it creamed up here. Get my spatula here. Make sure your butter is room temperature. Grab my mixer here. Like I say, we're just gonna do an old hand mixer, old school style. Old hand mixer here. There we go. Okay, y'all, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Now, you want to get this as creamy as possible. Remember, most muffins, y'all, you make with vegetable oil. This one is made with butter, so you want to make sure you get it nice and fluffy as possible. Now, we're going to add our sugar. Mixed in there together, y'all. possible here, y'all. That I'll scrape it down as much as possible. Now we're gonna add an egg. That scrape down as much as possible, y'all. Alright, y'all, we add a vanilla to this. Okay, y'all. Now, we're gonna mix this up here a little. I didn't do a lot of commercial did for this. Okay. All we're gonna do now, we're gonna alternate dry and the wet. Start with dry, end with dry. It's like you're making a cake, y'all. Definitely with blueberry muffins, y'all, you definitely don't want to over mix your batter. Definitely don't want to do that. A little bit more dry. Mix. Set up there. We're gonna add the last of our flour to this, y'all. Get that all off the whisk. Off the spatula. That's it, y'all. Now all the residual flour that's left over, we're gonna kind of mix it. Y'all already know how I do it. We're gonna mix it by hand. And there's our batter right there for our blueberry muffins. Look at that, y'all. How easy was that? Now, only thing left to do, besides get this mix out of my way. Hold on, let me get this out the way. Only thing left to do, we're gonna put our blueberries, fold them in here as much as possible. Fold them in there really lightly, y'all. Very lightly. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Tell me there ain't no nice looking blueberry muffin mix. Look at that. Okay, now, got that mixed together. We got our muffin tins here with our little paper, what I call cupcake papers in it. Cupcake liners. We're gonna get our scoop here. And we're gonna scoop it right into the cupcake liners. Just like just so. Just as so, huh? Just as so, y'all. Supposed to get a dozen of these. I got more than a dozen. Okay. I got another. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. And 3 more. Here. See if I can get one more little one out of here, y'all. Can I do it? What y'all think? Can I do it? Now, faith and believe, right? Okay. Now, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm put a little carbonate sugar on it. Just on there, on the sugar on top. And what I also like to do, y'all, take a little blueberries. Just stick a little blueberries in top, just like this. So everybody know what they are when they come out the oven. Like, ooh, what kind of muffin is these? They'll know. They'll definitely know what kind of muffins these are. And you're gonna also, I didn't tell y'all in the beginning, to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So you're gonna cook these on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. About 20 minutes, y'all. 400 degrees. Okay, 400 degrees, 20 minutes. We'll be back with some old school peppermill style blueberry muffins. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Look at these beautiful, beautiful golden brown blueberry muffins, y'all. Absolutely amazing. See how beautiful they are? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let these bad boys sit in here about 15 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna take them out the pan, do that old school famous YouTube thumbnail. We're gonna come back and we definitely gotta try them out. I gotta prove to y'all if they taste just like the peppermill or they just imposter. Like they say, sometimes you can imitate, but you can't duplicate. I'm trying to duplicate the peppermill old school blueberry muffin. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this here, y'all. Look at this big old, oh yeah, I think I nailed it. What y'all think? Think I nailed the peppermill blueberry muffins? Think I got them? Maybe it's better than theirs. I might have went over and beyond what they do, y'all. What do you think? I don't know. It's only one way to find out, huh? Only one way to find out. I got a little one right here on top. All right, y'all. Let me peel the little paper off of here. Guess I should have got a little pot out here, huh? These bad boys is hot. You can tell these bad boys is hot. Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at this, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Let's open this up and see if it's hot. Oh, yeah. See that steam in there? Look at all them blueberries in there. Can't tell that's not a blueberry muffin, right? Wow. Y'all. Now, this is a blueberry muffin here. Look at that, y'all. Look at all them blueberries in there. Nice breading. Let me go in. Oh, my God. Absolutely amazing. Nice and moist, which is why it's important to cream your butter and sugar very well when you're doing it. Also, I guess my little minor mistake at the beginning didn't mess me up too much. But it still came out to me perfect. Oh wow, y'all. All I need some, y'all, is some butter. There's some butter on this, y'all. Look at y'all. One more, y'all. One more bite. And that's finished. I'm finished that little boy. Awesome. So, anyway, y'all saw how easy that recipe was, or is, or can be. Y'all check it out. And like I say, you can do it with vegetable oil or butter. It's up to you. But the butter just has so much more flavor. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024. Stop wishing, start doing. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.